Hello students, this is Dodi Anisha, your EVS teacher. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we are going to continue our chapter number 3, Development Journey of a Seed. Okay, so in the last session, we have learned about germination of a seed. We have learned about pulses, cereals and oilseed. We'll do a quick revision. So first was germination of a seed. So what is germination of a seed? The process in which a seed is grown into a plant, that is known as germination of seed. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, the seed, it is growing into plant. Okay, it is growing into a plant. So that process is known as germination of a seed. For it, it requires moisture, sunlight, warmth, fertile soil, good quality seed. So all these are the requirements for this process. Okay. We learn about that a seed, it has a small plant named embryo inside it. It is very small. Okay, so as the seed, it receives moisture, the embryo starts growing, then a tiny root comes out of the seed. Okay, and the root, it absorbs the nutrients and minerals and food from the soil, and with the help of it, the embryo also starts growing, and eventually it will be burst open. It will burst open the soil. Okay, and then it will start the process of photosynthesis, its own process of photosynthesis. The root and the shoot, it will start growing. The root, it will grow downwards, and the shoot, it will grow upward. So this is the process of germination of a seed, which we have learned in the last session. Then we have learned about pulses, cereals and oilseeds. Okay, so what are pulses? Pulses are the seed which can be broken into two halves, but these seeds, they won't release any oil. So those seeds are known as pulses. Example, green gram, chickpeas. Okay, all these are the examples of pulses. Cereals. Cereals are the seeds which will be broken into small pieces or powder. Okay, so those seeds are known as cereals. Example, wheat, rice, maize, all these are examples of cereals. Oilseeds. Oilseeds are the seed which will release oil. Okay, this seed, they release oil, and when they are broken, they will be broken into pieces or powder or paste. So those seeds are known as oil seeds. Example, groundnut, mustard, soya bean. So all these are oil seeds. And we also learned that all these seeds, whether it is pulses or cereals or oil seeds, they are very important for a healthy diet, because it provides you lots of proteins and minerals and nutrition. So they are very good for your health, and we should consume them more and more. Then in the last, we had done this activity, classify. We have divided all these seeds which are given here on your screen into pulses, cereals and oilseeds, right? We have classified them, we have divided them into this groups, or we can say into the type of seeds. Here you can see the table of it. Okay, we had done it in the last session. So hopefully all the things which I have learned in the last session has been revised, and you have understood all the. Okay kids, so in today's session we are going to learn about monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Okay, we are going to learn what are monocot seeds, we are going to learn what are dicot seeds, and we are also going to see some of the examples of monocot and dicot seeds. Okay, so let's start. Okay, dicot seeds. Seeds which can be split into two equal halves are known as dicot seed. So the dicot seeds are the seed which can be divided into two equal half. Okay, those seeds are known as dicot seed. When you break them, they will be divided into two equal half. Those seeds are known as dicot seeds. Let's see some of the examples. Green peas, chickpeas, field beans, kidney beans, chicken peas, green gram. All these are some of the examples of monocot seed. Again, let's see all the examples. Green peas, chickpeas, field beans, kidney beans, chicken peas, green gram. So the dicot seeds are the seeds which can be broken into two equal half, which can be divided into two equal half, which can be split into two equal half. Those seeds are known as dicot seed. We saw some of the examples of dicot seed. Now let's go for monocot. Now let's see monocot seeds. Seeds which cannot be split into two equal half are known as monocot seeds. So the seeds which cannot be broken into two equal half, which cannot be split into two equal half, are known as monocot seeds. Okay, the dicot seeds were the one which can be broken into two equal half, but the monocot seeds, they cannot be split, they cannot be divided into two equal half. Let's see some of the examples of monocot seeds. Wheat, rice, millet, barley, oats, maize. So these are some of the examples of monocot seeds. We'll see them again, we'll see all the examples again. Wheat, rice, millet, barley, oats, maize. So these are some of the examples of monocot seeds. Okay, now you can see that there is an classification activity on your screen. So let's see it. Classify the following seeds into monocot and dicot seeds. So here you can see that there are different name of seeds are given. What we are going to do is we are going to divide these seeds into monocot and dicot seeds. So first let's read all those seeds. Maize, wheat, chickpeas, millet, green gram, rice, kidney beans, barley, field beans, maize, green peas, oats. So now we are going to make a table. Okay, we are going to make a table of one side there will be monocot seeds and the other side there will be dicot seeds. Okay, you can see that I have made a table. The first side is monocot seeds and the second side is dicot seeds. So let's see. Maize is a monocot seed, therefore it comes under monocot seeds. Then wheat is also monocot seed, so it will come under monocot seeds. Oats are also monocot seeds. Barley, monocot seeds, therefore they are under monocot seeds. Rice, monocot seeds. Millet, they are also monocot seeds. So all these are the monocot seeds. Okay, then we'll go for the dicot seed side. In dicot seeds there are chickpeas, they are dicot seeds, therefore they are under dicot seeds. Green gram are also dicot seeds. Kidney beans, dicot seeds. Field beans, dicot seeds. Green gram, they are also dicot seeds, so therefore they will come under dicot seeds. Okay, I'm giving you a minute to observe the table. Okay, let's again revise all the things which we have learned in this chapter, development journey of a seed. Okay, we have learned about germination of a seed. It is a process where the seed is transformed into a plant. This process is known as germination. Okay, when a seed is grown into a plant, that process is known as germination of a seed. There are certain conditions like sunlight, moisture, warmth, fertile soil, good quality seed, etc. that has to be satisfied so that the seed can be grown into a healthy plant. Okay, we saw the full process of it. We saw how the embryo grows, how the root grows. It takes all the nutritions and food from the soil, and with the help of it the shoot also starts growing, and this is how a seed is grown into a full plant. You can see the picture also here. Okay, then we have learned about pulses, cereals and oilseeds. So what are pulses? So the pulses are the seeds. When you break them, it will be broken into two equal half, but these seeds, they do not release any oil. Okay, these are pulses. Cereals are the seeds. When you break them, it will be broken into small pieces or powder. Those are known as cereals. Oilseeds. Oilseeds are the seeds which release oil. Okay, and when you break them, it will be broken into small pieces or powder or paste. Those are oilseeds. These all seeds are very important for us to have a healthy body, because it gives you so many proteins and vitamins and minerals. And if you want to have a balanced and healthy diet, then you must consume all these seeds in your everyday life. Then we have learned about monocot seeds and dicot seeds. So what are monocot seeds? Monocot seeds are the seeds which cannot be split into two equal half. Okay, monocot seeds are the seeds which cannot be divided into two equal half. Dicot seeds are the seeds which can be split into two equal half. So the dicot seeds are the seeds which can be divided into two equal half. Those seeds are known as dicot seeds. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. Okay, now we are going to see the objectives of this chapter. We are going to see some objectives and question answers of this chapter. You can take your book and you can write it down in your notebook. The objective of chapter number 3. You can take your notebook and the things required. I will wait for a minute or two. Okay, let's see. Write question number 1. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First one. Which of the following is a monocot seed? Which of the following is a monocot seed? So we have learned that a monocot seed is the one which cannot be divided into two equal part, which cannot be split into two equal half. So let's see the option. The first one option is green pea, kidney beans, wheat, green gram. So The answer is wheat, because the other three options, they are dicot seed. They can be divided into two equal half. They can be split into two equal half. But wheat, this seed, it cannot be divided into two equal half. So the answer is wheat. Write it down. Okay, let's see the. Okay, second one. Which of the following factor is not required by a seed to germinate? Which of the following factor is not required by a seed to germinate? So we have learned that there are certain conditions which has to be satisfied for the germination process. Hopefully you all remember those conditions. So let's see. A. Sunlight. B. Water. C. Fertile soil. D. Birds. So the answer, it is birds, because we have seen that sunlight, water or moisture and fertile soil, they were the conditions that has to be satisfied, but there was no condition like birds. It doesn't has to be satisfied, right? So the answer is D, birds. Please write it down. Okay, let's see third one. Which of the following is not an oil seed? So oil seeds are the one which releases oil. Okay, the seed which releases oil is an oil seed. Let's see the option. Rice, B. Groundnut, C. Mustard, D. sesame. So we have to say which of this is not an oil seed. So here groundnut, mustard and sesame, these three, they are oil seed because they release oil. But rice, option number A, rice, it is a cereal, right? So our answer is A, rice. Please write it down in your book. Okay, let's see the next one. Fourth, which of the following is pulses? So we have to say that which of the following option is a pulses? A. Millet, B. Field bean, C. Wheat, D. maize. So among these options, A. Millet, C. Wheat, D. maize, they are cereals. And field bean, it is pulses because it can be broken into two equal half. It can be divided into two equal half. But millet, wheat and rice, these seeds, they cannot be broken into equal part, but they will be broken into small pieces or maybe powder, right? So our answer is B. Field bean. Okay, let's see next one. Which of the following seed is not a cereal? So here we have to say which of the following seed is not a cereal. Okay, cereal are those seeds which will be broken into pieces or powder. A. Green gram, B. Barley, C. Oats, D. All of the above. So here option B and C, barley and oats, they are cereals. Option A, green gram, it is a seed which can be divided into two equal half. So our answer is A, green gram. It is a pulses. So please write it down in your book. Okay, now we are going to go back to first choose the correct option. I'm going to repeat all of it again. If you still have not written or maybe anything is left out, please write it. Okay. First one, which of the following is a monocot seed? Option A, green pea, B, kidney beans, C, wheat, D, green gram. Answer is wheat. Please write it down. Second, which of the following factor is not required by a seed to germinate? A. Sunlight, B. Water, C. Fertile soil, D. Birds. The answer is bird. D. Birds. Let's see third one. Which of the following is not an oil seed? A. Rice, B. Groundnut, C. Mustard, D. Sesame. The answer is A. Rice. Fourth one. Which of the following is pulses? A. Millet, B. Field bean, C. Wheat, D. Maize. Answer is B. Field bean. I have underlined every answer. Okay, so you can in your book you can underline it or you can tick the correct option. That's fine. Fifth one. Which of the following seed is not a cereal? A. Green gram, B. Barley, C. Oats, D. All of the above. Our answer is A. Green gram. So in today's session we have learned about monocot seeds and dicot seeds. We saw some of the examples of monocot and dicot seeds. Then we had done that classification table. Okay. Then we have wrote some notes in our book. We wrote choose the correct option. In the next session we will again revise our chapter number 3. And we will write the remaining objective and question answer in our fair book. So whenever I have a lecture in next session, please be ready with your book and your material which you required. We will write the remaining objective and question answers. Okay everyone, that's all for today. We'll meet in our next session. Bye.